Today I'm going to show you how to transform your brakes from rusty and crusty to pretty much brand new. It's quite affordable and not that hard. First thing first, let's remove the wheels. Oh, it's always so fun with these wheel bolts instead of studs. Love it! So this is what we're working with, and the calipers are looking crusty. Let's see if it's stuck on this side. The other side, it was not stuck at all. Gotta make sure it's properly seated. Ow! Yeah, it's a bit stuck on this side, a bit more than the other side. There we go. Ow! That wasn't bad. All right, you know what? I'll be right back. Go off. Then we grab the zip tie. Oh my god. There we go, and then we can remove the caliper bracket, and then we can remove the brake disc. Let's see if the brake disc is stuck. Oh, nope, not at all. Nice. Let's go. To make this brake shield look a bit better, I'm gonna paint it, but first we need to remove some rust. Now it's time to clean this and to mask it. I'm just using some brake cleaner to clean it. The nicer the car you have, the more thorough I'd be with the masking. And to spray this, I'm using a brake caliper paint that can be painted on like rust, or like not rust, but it says to remove all the like loose rust before. Like that, and then we do one more light coat later, and we're good. All right, and now we get to attach the brake disc. All right, and now I'm putting back the caliper bracket, like this. Now I'm gonna put the caliper back on. Now I've gone over and done some sanding here. Now I'm gonna mask, and then we're gonna prep it with some brake cleaner, and then we're gonna paint.